back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ida Helis. In today's video, I'm going to be recording my Jordan collection in 4K. If you guys want to see all the shoes I have, just keep on watching. I'm going to get right into the video just because I have a feeling this might be a long video, just because I've been collecting quite a lot of shoes over these past years. One disclaimer about this, I did pay retail prices for them. So if you do try to look for some of these shoes, the price might be higher. Just because if you buy it on StockX, Go, or any other apps that you guys use to buy shoes, it might be higher just because of the aftermarket, whatever it's called. Okay, so the first shoe I'm gonna start with are these ones in red and white. And as you guys can see, probably, it shows the elephant print like this. So these are the shoes. I'm gonna show both pairs just so you guys could have a better look at them. This is what they look like. I haven't worn these a lot. I think the most I've worn them is probably like 2 times, not a lot. I do like this a lot. Like, I like the print, the color, it's like a vibrant red. Not like too bright, but I do really like this shoe. It might be one of my favorite ones that I have in my collection. The next shoe I'm going to be showing you guys are these 10s. They're just a black and gray, very simple. I feel like these would be like an essential. They're like very basic. You could literally wear any outfit. I'll wear like sweatpants, black sweatpants, or anything like that, and just wear these. They're very, very comfortable. Like, they have the kind of cushioning on the inside. And I got these in a 6.5. And this is what they look like. So this is a 6.5 on a GS size. Try it. I don't want to do this anymore. The next shoe I'm going to show you guys are these 3s right here. I got these in a size 8 in woman. They're the dark purple, I'll say, and then they have white bottoms. And then they also have the purple laces to match the shoe. And it looks like this. I'm going to show you guys both shoes just so you guys can have a better idea how they look like. So this is the front. This is how they look like from the side. And I think I only wore these shoes once. And I don't even know why. So I left the next pair of shoes here in the box though. So I got these in a size 8. I'm just going to open it so you guys could have a look at them. So these are the 11s in olive green. I absolutely love these shoes. These are so sick. Like, they have like a kind of print here with gold. So they have the olive and then a little bit like sparkles of gold over them. But these are so cute. That's why I still have them in the box. These are the last shoe I got in my collection. So this is what the shoes look like. Both pairs. That's the front. This is what they look like from the side. And yeah, I literally can't wait to wear these. I literally got these like last week. So they're like pretty new. The next pair of shoes I'm going to show you guys are these ones. They're lows. These ones lows are not my favorite shoe. I prefer the high tops. And then there's just like an olive green and then the white bottoms. And then they also have the green laces. I got these in a 6.5 in a GS size. And they look like that. I'm going to show you guys the other pair. So this is what the front looks like. The side. Like this. So I feel like I have worn these a lot. Like, whenever I wear a dress or anything like that, or shorts, I just wear these just because they're easy to put on. Although they're not my favorite, I would say they're like very easy to put on just because they're lower. The next shoe I'm going to show you guys are these 5s. They're the black and pink. And then they have the white bottom right here. They literally match my nail color like this. So it's a really cute pink. And I got this in a size, I think this is a 6.5 in GS size as well. And this is what the front looks like. This is the side. And yeah, this is another shoe that I haven't worn a lot just because for this shoe specifically, I feel like whenever I wear anything tight, it makes the shoe or my feet look bigger. This is why I haven't worn these shoes a lot. I feel like it makes me look like I have big feet. The next shoe I'm going to show you guys, I still have them in a box. This is an 8 in women's. and they're the ones lows. So these are just simple black with like the snake print and then the white bottoms. The laces also are in black, and then they have like this little gold bottom on the laces. This is what that looks like. I'm gonna take the other one out just so you guys can have a better look at it. And I do apologize, these are probably the filthiest from my collection. Like I see the white is literally looks great right now. This one looks too clean. I have to clean these up. The next shoe I'm going to show you guys are the Jordan 12 Retros. I got this in a size 8 in women's. I still have it in the box as well. Just because I like this box. It's like all white and then the gold Jordan sign there. Okay, so 12s are literally my favorite Jordans out of the entire collection. So it's just the black laces, all black and then gold. And then the white bottoms. This is probably the shoe that I have worn the most, just because 12s are like my favorite shoe to wear. I literally wear 12s every day. The shoe also has a little sign on the back that says Jordan, quality inspired by the greatest flavor ever. I don't know what that means, but it does have that sign on the back. And then this is what the shoe looks like from the front. This is the side. Really cute shoe. And then this is the back. This is the sign I was telling you guys that it has on the back. And these shoes are kind of heavy. Like my arms is hurting from this shoe. I feel like this is probably the heaviest I have shown so far. The next shoe I'm going to show you guys are the women's Jordan Force Retros. They're in a size 8 in women's. I'm just going to be taking them out so you guys could take a look at them. So this is what the shoe looks like. It's basically all red, and then it has this black tab right here. This Jordan sign on the back is black, and then just the yellowish bottoms. I haven't worn this shoe at all just because I got this as a gift, and I feel like they're super bright. I don't know. So I've been like a little bit, I guess, conscious about wearing them. So I feel like I have to wear all black before I wear these shoes just because they're so bright. This is why I haven't worn them yet. So they're all new. Like as you guys can see, this is the bottoms right here. Front. This is what they look like from the side, and then this is the back. And one cool thing that I like about the box, it has like this little envelope whatever thing that right here, and I think it brought like a little card or a drawing. I don't know what the hell is in here, but it brought something in here, which I think is kind of cool. That's why I kept it in the box. And this shoe is a size 8, like I said, in women's. The next pair of shoes are also Air Jordan Retros 4s. These are 6.5 VS size. Let me take them out the box so you guys can have a look at them. So they literally look like the red ones I showed previously, just in a different color. So the pair I have here are the grays. These are the grays with black. They have the gray laces here. And then they have a little black bottom combined with the white bottom as well. This is what the shoe looks like. This is another shoe I haven't worn at all. This is new basically. This is the bottom. So these shoes right here are probably one of the most expensive shoes I have. These are the cool grays 4s. And I'm actually excited to try it just because it's gray. It's like a very neutral color. Definitely I like this way better than the red one just because I feel like the red ones will be harder to wear just because I need to like kind of match it. And yeah, this is what the shoe looks like. That's the front. That's what they look like from the side. And this is the back. Okay, the next shoe I'm going to be showing you guys are these 12s right here. They are the black with hot pink. They include the black laces over here, and then they have the hot pink logo on the back. This is what they look like. Like I said, 12s are my favorite, so I have worn these very often. As you guys could probably tell, they're like the most filthiest from them all. This is what the pair looks like. That's the front. This is the side. And then this is what they look like from the back. I love these so much just because I feel like Jordan 12s, I feel like they're the ones that make my feet look the smallest. And I just like the way they look on my feet. Like this is like my favorite shoe right here. Okay, so it wasn't on purpose, but I feel like all the ones I'm gonna be showing you guys from now on are gonna be all ones. So they're all like in different colors. So these pairs right here, they're the ones, like I said, I got this in a size 8 in women's. These are so different. I feel like they have like the cream on the front and then all red. And then they also include some gold like here and there on the shoe. And then they have like the kind of yellowish bottoms. This is what the shoe looks like from the front. Very different. I love this one. They're like very unique. And then that's the side. And then this is the back. Okay, so these are the ones. Ones are like so easy to, I feel like, to match with whatever outfit you're wearing. So they're definitely like a quick grab and go. The next pair of ones I'm gonna show you guys are these bright red with the white bottoms. These are lows. And like I said before, lows are not my favorite shoe. I prefer the high tops more than the mid ones as well. And then they have the red laces here. And then just a gold tip on the laces. They're very simple. This is what they look like. I feel like I haven't worn these very often. I wore them a couple times because they're super bright. The next pair of shoes I'm gonna show you guys are ones. This I got in a size 8 in women's. They literally look like the same I showed previously, the red and cream ones. So this one just has the cream, and then they're all black right here, and then I include some gold. And then it has the jello-ish bottoms. This is what the shoe looks like. Very neutral colors, very pretty. And let me show you guys with the whole pair. That's the front, the side, and then this is the back of the shoe. These are basically new. I feel like I only wore this once, I believe. I've worn the red ones more often than these. The only thing I will say that I don't really like, the Nike logo right here is all black, so I feel like I can't even tell. Like probably like sneakerheads, like anybody that like knows shoes, they would kind of tell right away. But I don't like this black, like all black Nike logo, just because it matches entirely with the shoe. But yeah, that's just me. The next pair of ones are these black with the kind of white sprinkled all over them. They have the black laces and then just white bottoms. This is what the shoe looks like from the front. This is the side. And then this is the back. So these shoes are very neutral. So I recommend these shoes for anybody that's just looking for simple ones. They're like very easy to pair with any outfit you're wearing, just because they're all black and then you just have a little bit of white on the bottom. The next pair of shoes I have not worn. These are the ones in a mint blue color. They are size 8 in women's. And then they have just like the little tag. I haven't even cut it off so you guys can see I haven't worn this one. And then they just have the white side and then the mint blue on the bottom. This is what the shoe looks like from the side. There's the front. I like this color a lot. I feel like it's a very summery spring color. So I am probably gonna wear it kind of soon before the summer leaves. And that's the front of the shoe. As you guys can see, they also have the mint blue laces. That's the side. And then this is the back of the shoe. So yeah, very excited to try this one just because of the color. Very girly, I feel like. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and comment down below and let me know what you guys think of these kind of videos. Let me know if you guys have any of these Jordans, and just click the bell down below so you don't miss anything that I post here. I'll see you guys in the next video.